Have you seen the stock market day after day, week after week? Let me know below what you think's going on because from what I'm seeing, it's just red after red after red. Now, I don't want that to happen because at the current time, it's tying down Bitcoin, is taking it with it because of all the institutional people that have came into the market. But you gotta ask yourself, what's gonna happen next? Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think is gonna happen next. What am I doing? Well, I'm drinking some hot tea, and then I'm about to take my kids to the library. But I want to do a quick video because day after day, I'm seeing 500, 600, 200, 300, just bloody on the stock market. Some of the biggest companies have lost 40, 50, 60, 70%. The index in general is coming down day after day. So, and now the Fed hasn't even tightened, they haven't, increased rates. So the question is, what's about to happen? What is about to happen? And on top of that, what is going to happen in the real estate market? Well, we saw the first wave of foreclosures that came in, and Big Brother and the central bank stopped it. But we saw over 7 million people that couldn't pay their mortgages. We've seen handouts to small businesses and landlords. So we saw the very first wave of foreclosures come in, but it was stopped by external forces. Now the second wave is coming in. Now the question is, are the powers to be, are they going to interfere and try to stop it? Because we have so much inflation, because every time they print out that stimulus check, price hikes, okay? The other problem is that inflation, or the cost of goods for rent, fixed costs, okay, food skyrocketing, and the price for jobs have not increased accordingly. And you can see that with asset prices like homes. Real estate homes have rocketed in prices versus the actual everyday Joe buyer for it, okay? And so a lot of problems that needs to be addressed. At the same time, we're seeing, the rise of other assets come into play like cryptos and Bitcoin. So interesting times. Since 2016, I've been letting you guys know what's coming. There's been some pauses in the way because of all the radical policies like 0% interest rates, like giving everyone free money, like X, Y, and Z. You can put it together. But for sure, a lot of opportunities. For sure, there's going to be a lot of hurt. Okay, and I'm on the camp side that says, hey, let the hurt happen as soon as possible so we can rebuild and move forward. But some people are on the other side that says, hey, so many people are in debt, so many people are leveraged out, so many people are in the stock market that we got to keep propping it up forever till we lose the world reserve currency, the dollar, the petrodollar. Well, I'm on the other camp that says, look, man, we don't need central bankers. We don't need, this free cheese. Imagination, creativity, what you have is more powerful. People don't want to work in a cubicle. People don't want to work for a job. They want to create their own destiny. They want to write their own books. They want to create their own businesses. So I'm of that mindset. And I think that the new Web 3.0 allows that. The new technology allows that. And that we should shift our mindset to be our dreams through creativity, imagination, versus working for a man or putting some fake money into a stock market that is pretty much fake anyways, because certain people get all the free money to buy their own corporate stock backs, and we see that happening. And to me, that's like almost like a Ponzi scheme in itself. So anyways, kids and gentlemen and ladies, always remember, you're braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, smarter than you think, and twice as beautiful as you imagine. Some of you guys say, what am I drinking? I'm drinking hot tea, guys. I'm Persian. I love hot tea. Peace.
Real quick, download my free book, Real Estate Investing for Beginners, the ultimate starter guide at myrealestatedojo.com, where I teach you how to find motivated sellers, buy their homes at a deep discount, and then have the seller become your own private bank. Subject to, get it now. One more thing, if you're looking for private one-on-one help when it comes to real estate investing, then consider joining my academy where you sit down with me one-on-one. 2, you get monthly coaching. 3, you get access to my best-selling courses. 4, you get access to my video library, and then the list goes on for just $97 a month. Join me now at mrnofluff.com. Lastly, the best 6-figure side hustle, bicycle flipping. Want to see how? Here's a behind the scene video how I did it. Go to thebestsidehustle.mrnofluff.com. Now let's get back to the content.